the first mass of the celebration of the birth of Jesus. It's December 16 today. These are the 5 candles that Father had said to light today. I'm always listening to Father every day. I listen to Father Jomarsus every day at Pampanga. It's very nice listening to him. I love his homily every day. I always enjoy listening to his homily every day. It's very interesting. It's very encouraging. He guides he guides so much about life. It's so bright the TV cannot get his face. There is my grandson playing again all his toys. It's so amazing.
Bakit sinabi niya, guard your heart.
Where are you, Gael? There's Father. I always enjoy his homily every day. I'm checking my grandson. Where are you, Gael? Where is my grandson again? Checking all his toys there. He's always playing alone. He has no playmate here at home.
At ano po ang ugali ng mga hayop minsan? Sila po ay sumapa.
Back to my 5 lighted candles.
Nagiging matapang ka. Amen? How do you describe money? We say that money is
Father said, I will light this today for the preparation of the birthday of Jesus. I have to light this every day until his birthday on the 25th.
nagiging matigas ang iyong kalooban. Kaya nga, nauunawaan na natin
Every candle means something. The first candle says
nasulat po
it's
sa
for
ay mahalin mo ang Diyos na buong isip, puso, kaluluwa.
first candle says it's for
nagiging kamukha mo.
oh God, I hope my memory is deteriorating.
Nova Villa. Kilala niyo po ba siya? Yung pong matandang actress.
There is Father. I'm listening to him.
May asawa po pala si Nova Villa. Hindi po artista. Pero isa po siyang atleta. At sa kasuriang palad,
I really love listening to Father Jomarsus.
bedridden siya. Tanong po ng interviewer kay Nova Villa, saan siya humuhugot?
And here I remember now the meanings of this
And at the same time, alagaan niya yung kanyang business.
5
Napakaganda po
candles.
ng sagot ni Nova Villa.
One candle
Sabi niya,
represents
ang lakas po ay nanggagaling sa
financial, the
pagmamahal kay
second
Jesus.
one for
Dahil
our
sa
interest
pagmamahal
in
kay
life.
Jesus, dito
The
ako
third
nakakatawa
candle is for our
ng
relationship with
pagpapala at Diyos.
Jesus.
Kakayanan daw po niya magtrabaho.
And
kahit
the
meron na
fourth
siyang katawan.
one is for
Kahit
our
na hindi naman po siya big
schedules,
star, merong dumarating
to listen
na
to
pera
him,
para pambili po niya ng gamot
to
para
the-
sa kanyang asawa.
to
Alam niyo po,
church.
napaka-sweet nito
And the
para
last
sa kanyang
fifth
asawa.
candle
Kahit na
is
ito'y hindi
for
makagalaw, pag nandun daw po siya sa bahay,
our
palagi
troubles
siya
in
sa bahay,
life that we have to
hinahalina.
pray.
Pag
We
wala daw
must
po siya
pray
sa
every
bahay, palagi
day
niyang
for His
tinatawagan,
grace.
kinakamusta niya. Paano
We need to
naging
talk to God
napakasimple,
every day
napaka-down to earth, at napakabait
for
ni Nova
our
Villa. Ito po ay dahil
good and better life. It's needed to pray every day. I'm trying to resume my reading about the Bible. I will take out my Bible in my cabinet, so I will start reading the Bible. It's been a long time.
Kung mahal mo ang Diyos, makakamukha mo ang ugali ng Diyos. But secondly, we need to reflect also.
There is the 5 candles.
Ang tanong hindi lang yung kung sino minamahal mo pero ano ang iyong minamahal mo. Aminin man natin hindi Marami sa atin, mas mahal pa ang
There is
gamit
Father,
kaysa sa tao.
back to
Yan ang
Father.
nakakalungkot. Gamit na dapat
Always
natin
listening to
ginagamit,
Him.
pero kadalasan ang tao,
He always
ginagawa
encourages
natin
me
gamit
every
ang
day.
gamit ng ating minamahal.
He guides every
Paano mo
day
masasabi
for our
na mas
life.
mahal mo ang gamit kaysa sa tao? Tingnan mo kung mas marami yung oras.
Thank you,